This batch is approved. Continue the flow.
Final rinse successful. Standards met. Logging completion of the washing cycle.
Maintain that angle, slow the flow slightly as it fills. Good. Now move to the next section.
Careful when you flip them. We need to ensure the texture holds and they don't crumble during release.
This finished product represents the culmination of hard work and precision throughout the sugarcane processing journey. There's a small uneven patch right here. Could you do another pass, please? All clear? That's the last one, the final manifest for the day.
Excellent.
Excellent. We'll take it from here. Morning team, remember the new safety perimeter around the steam vents. 0 accidents is the goal. And always follow the lockout procedure before cleaning. Welcome. This way, please. We're incredibly proud of the quality systems you'll see on the production line today.
Right team, Transport 7 has been successfully rerouted. Warehouse, confirmed departure optimization sequence is at 100%.
The softball stage is reached.
Core temperature and surface resistance metrics confirmed. The mass is ready for scoring.
It's ready for transfer. The density is perfect.
Increase the flow rate slightly to keep the layer uniform. The batch is cooling exactly as scheduled.
All right, bring it in slowly. Looks good. Scan complete. We are on schedule for dispatch.
A perfect finish to the day's batch. And with the next truck arriving, we are ready for tomorrow.
System check complete. Renewable sources fully engaged. Power distribution optimized. Carbon neutral status confirmed. Elena signed off on the manifest, marking the successful completion of a record-breaking production run.